Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove video from Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a video. Now we can see here this video file. We double click the video and open it to see this is a video. Now we want to remove this video from this document. Click the video and press delete on our keyboard. Now we can see here we remove this video from this Word file very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.